is for Timor-Leste on behalf of a group of countries.
Mr. President, I have the honor to deliver this statement on behalf of a cross-regional group of states. The mandate of the Human Rights Council is to strengthen the global promotion and protection of human rights and fundamental freedoms for all, without distinction, and to address human rights violations and situations of concern. In discharging this mandate, the Human Rights Council requires on-the-ground activities, including monitoring and reporting, which has proven difficult in the case of Western Sahara, where no technical visits have been conducted since 2015. In recognition of this, in this address to this Council, in March 2023, the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights stated that, on Western Sahara, my office continues remote monitoring of the human rights situation, given that the most recent visit by the office took place almost 8 years ago. It is crucial for my office to be able to undertake, again, meaningful missions to the region. Similarly, in July 2022, the former UN High Commissioner reaffirmed that the resumption of the technical missions of the OHCHR to Western Sahara would contribute to resolving the various obstacles in these territories. Further, in September 2020, and referring to the human rights situation in Western Sahara, the former UN High Commissioner also stated that, I look forward to discussing the parameters of a new visit with all parties in the near future, before adding that the technical missions of the UN Human Rights Council are vital. The United Nations Secretary General, in his report to the UN Security Council in October 2023, echoed the concerns of the successive High Commissioners concerning the need to conduct field visits to Western Sahara. Accordingly, the UNSG insisted that the lack of access to first-hand information and independent, impartial, comprehensive and sustained monitoring of the human rights situation was detrimental to comprehensive assessment of human rights in the region. We therefore deplore the fact that, despite the appeals from the UNSG, UNSC and OHCHR, no independent mechanism has been put in place to monitor and report on the human rights situation in Western Sahara. And no technical mission from the OHCHR could be conducted for the past 9 years. We thus call the Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights to dispatch a mission to Western Sahara and to report to this Council on the human rights situation in the territories. I thank you.
Thank you. I now give the floor to Chile on